Hi guys.
Hi everyone. Today we have this Play-Doh. I believe, what is this one called? Fun Factory Super Set. So the kids want to open this, and we just want to show you guys what's inside. So it looks like it has 5 colors Play-Doh.
Blue, yellow, red, green, and orange.
And it looks like the 2 last one is small tub.
Blue,
And it
yellow.
says, oh, you want to tell the colors? What's that one? Is that red?
Red,
What's that one?
green,
And
orange.
orange. So this is how it looks like. It's not big, but it's pretty heavy inside because of all the Play-Doh.
And there's 30 pieces inside.
Yeah, there's 30 pieces inside. So if you count, so if you count all this tools, probably total to 30 pieces. And so yeah, so this is for H3 Plus by Hasbro. And the back, just same thing, and tell you how to do how to make the Play-Doh, different design.
And this Play-Doh.
Yeah, that's Play-Doh. All right, so the kids excited to open it up. Gonna help me open it up for you?
Yep.
This is another look how all the tools. So I guess they have
A lot.
a lot of different pieces. All right.
Just open it. Oh, take off this thing.
Whoa, lots of pieces.
Oh, some fall down.
Some removed from the carpet. It's a nice heart service, so you could make the Play-Doh. Yeah. So this is what's included in the box.
And a Play-Doh?
Yeah, so you get all this Play-Doh. So there's 3 big tubs of Play-Dohs and 2 small ones. And this
And
is
there's lots of tools.
lots of different shape and tools.
And this big thing.
And there's a Fun Factory. What is it called? So this is the Fun Factory Super Set Play-Doh. Alright, gonna have lots of fun with this. Alrighty. So this is the...
You put the Play-Doh in here,
Yeah.
and then you squeeze it, and then it comes
comes
out
out
like
over
that.
here. And this one...
And
also, yeah, and this has the mold. Different mold here.
Yeah.
And it looks like that. And I also have a extra tool roller and the cutting roller and the 4 different shapes. You combine them together to make this roller, and you could shape the Play-Doh like this one. So yeah, lots of different tools, lots of different shapes and molds. All right, well, lots of fun with this. So that's a little brief unboxing of the Play-Doh Fun Factory Super Set. Thanks for watching. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Cool.
Mother. Look the boy. It's a boy. We got all different shapes here. Square, index.